So here's a look at a fully loaded day in OptiBay. Every technician, every ticket, every job already planned out for the day. And even with a packed schedule like this, adding one more ticket is very simple. Let's walk through creating a new drop-off ticket. I'll start by entering the customer's name and then their vehicle information. If this were a waiting appointment instead of a drop-off, we'd simply change the ticket type and set the customer's desired date and start time. And now I'll add a front brake job to the ticket. I'll manually enter the labor time for this service, but we've got more coming on this area in future updates. When I select Create Ticket, this is where the Smart Assignment engine comes alive. I'll start by confirming the date the customer wants the work done and whether the vehicle is already on site. OptiPlace then analyzes the entire shop, every technician's workload, their strengths, their bay availability, and how long this brake job should take for each technician to complete, and ranks the best fits automatically. I'll select Joe for this ticket, and OptiBay handles the scheduling from here. OptiAssign finds the perfect opening for Joe's schedule and drops the ticket in with zero conflicts, perfectly aligned. Clint Eastwood's brake job is now fully scheduled, no overlaps, no manual shuffling. This is intelligent technician dispatching built right into OptiBay. This is the OptiBay way. End the chaos.